Guys, in this video of YouTube marketing course, I'm going to explain you about YouTube featured video, which is for returning subscribers. So YouTube provides a feature called featured video, which is for the users who have already subscribed and are visiting your channel. So the basic use of this feature is basically for offering some high quality content to your returning subscribers, or any kind of announcement which you want to share with your returning or share with your subscribers, or any kind of specific video which you want to show to your subscribers only. So this feature is for that only. Now let me show you that where we can watch or where we can see this featured video option. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm in YouTube, and if I search here marketing fundas only, which is our main channel, which has around more than 433,000 followers, and if I open this channel, you will be able to see this video is here, right? But if I subscribe this channel, as you can see, this basically I have subscribed this channel from this demo Gmail account. Right now, if after some time I visit this channel, I'll be not able to see this video over here. This is not the featured video. This is for the new users who haven't subscribed the channel. Now if I go to home and watch some other videos and return back to this YouTube channel again, I'll be able to see another video which is featured video, right? But right now I'm able to see the same video over here. So this is what the feature video is, and the uses of feature video, I've already told you that if you have any kind of specific video, any kind of specific announcement for your subscribers, or any kind of high quality content or most viewed content which you want to show your subscribers who haven't watched, you can add that particular video as a featured video. Now you might have a question that how to add this featured video in our YouTube channel. So for that, you need to go to your YouTube channel, go to the customization option in the left hand side menu. Right now I'm in the YouTube studio, and once you are into the YouTube studio, click on customization option. Here you will be able to see two options. The first one is channel trailer, and the second one is featured video. So channel trailer is for new for the people who haven't subscribed, as you can see here, but this is for the returning subscribers. So right now we want to add a featured video, and featured video should already published on your YouTube channel. If I click on add button, I'll be able to see only one video, because I do have only one video in my channel. The second one is private. If I make it public, this will also available. Right now these two videos are public. Now if I go to customizations, and in the featured video section, right now it is showing only once. Let me refresh it. After some time it will show both of the videos. Right, it is refreshing. It is taking too much time, man. Okay, it got back. My internet connection was getting a bit slow. Now if I click on again after 2 minutes, as you can see, the second video is also available here. So the video should be published on your YouTube channel, right? And if you want, you can search another video as well from another YouTube channel. You can add those videos as a featured video in your YouTube channel as well. So this option is also there. Now let's say you want to use this video as a featured video. Just you need to click on this, and then you need to hit the publish button, and this video will be added as a featured video. Now let me show you again. Let me go to the channel. If I click here, I'll go to channel, and here you will be okay, we have the account from this channel, that's why we are not able to see. So let me show you into another account. So guys, as you can see, I have just subscribed and refreshed the page, and this video is showing me as a featured video in this YouTube channel, which I've just subscribed, right? So I hope now you understood that how to add a featured video and what is this featured video and what are the uses of featured video. Right now, let me wrap up this video here. In the next video, I'm gonna show you about the trailer video, which is for the non-subscribers or non-subscribed users. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye. Bye bye.